In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can activate your Wells Fargo credit card online easily. As you can see, this is a created article by Wells Fargo on how you can activate their credit card online. So to activate your Wells Fargo credit card online, you need to visit the bank's enhanced card activation page. So you will find this page on the main website of the Wells Fargo. So click the personal at the top of the homepage, and then it is followed by credit cards. On the right side of the screen, you will see the credit card services. Now I want you to select the confirm credit card, and then from there take the following steps. Important. This is real important. So enter your credit card number, and then a new field will appear for you to enter the CVV or the three-digit number on the back of your card near this signature box or near your signature box. Now provide your date of birth and the last four digit of your social security number or your SSN to verify your identity. And just click the confirm button and just wait for your credit card to be activated. And that's how you can activate your Wells Fargo credit card online easily, and thank you for listening.